Bubby Faces. I'm here to do my daily vlog. I'm just going downstairs into my basement. All the lights are on. So, yeah. Yeah. This is my basement. It's probably not very clean right now, but you guys can see it. Okay. Lego over there. We moved those couches down here. So, yeah. These are WWE stuff. My brother likes them a lot. I'm gonna do some parkour for you guys. Parkour. Oops. Up. Up. Oops. I need it there. Okay, right there. I think, right there would be good. But it's okay. So, I'm gonna be jumping there on the other couch. I'm gonna land on like a tiger does. Okay? And I did it! I'm the beast! Okay, so for you guys out there, if you like Rey Mysterio, you better subscribe to me, or he is. Maybe. Because I like him. Or if you like Sin Cara. Or if you like Undertaker or Batista. Or Undertaker. You shall listen to me. So I guess that's it for this daily vlog. Adios. I love him.